Hello, this is Darren Martineau with Team Freedom, and in this video, I'm going to do a review of List Infinity, one of my favorite programs. So here we have uh, the List Infinity. Okay, we have first of all, what is List Infinity? List Infinity is an incredible training platform. Okay, and what you get is you get all kinds of training on how to build your email list. Okay. So the first thing is the system setup, and you can it integrates with I use Leads Leap, but it integrates with also Aweber and GetResponse. I use Leads Leap, which I'm going to make another video review about Leads Leap, so watch for that. Um, it's really simple to integrate. All you have to do is go into your Leads Leap account, and you put in your list number, and we have the training inside here. Now, once you integrate this, okay, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get all kinds of lead capture pages. You're going to get, this is how you will build your list, okay? So the next step is you're going to, it's going to give you training on traffic. And I give you bonus. So first let's go over the bonuses that I give you. I'm going to give you 88 traffic methods, this ebook, okay? And also an ebook that I wrote, which is the Team Freedom Fast Start Guide. Okay, in there I also have videos with exclusive training. It's valued at over $50. Okay, this is a bonus for signing up. You have to sign up. Um, you can sign up for free, but I recommend coming in at least $100 level, so that every time you do this, you're going to get $100 a go. Okay. Um, I talk about a lot of different income streams. This is teach you how to create multiple passive income streams. Um, I recommend Lead Sleep as well. Like I said, I'm going to make another video on that. This is on List Infinity, so we're going to go over in detail on this. Okay. So what you get, you can come in for free. Okay. Now you have promotional tools. You have, it shows you how to do Facebook marketing. It gives you a 30-day email campaign. One of the things that marketers look for, like when you go on ClickBank or any type of affiliate program, is how much is the commission. This is 100% commission, so understand that. So if someone comes in at a $7 level, you get $7. $25 level, you get $25. $100 level, and then they have a higher level than that. But I recommend coming in at least $100 level so you can make this worth your time. Now, um, we're going to go over what you get. So what you get is you get this training, and you get the promotional tools. Let's go over. If you came in at a free level, you're only going to get a minimum amount of training, right? Um, so if you come in at a paid level, any paid level, and I'm also going to show in another video how to come in here for free. So be watching for that. Now, for starter level, you're going to have list building, email marketing, Facebook marketing, video marketing, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all this. But the pro level is much better. The pro level is going to give you much more training, right? So click on the link, put in your email, okay, join List Infinity now, and then I will send you, once you've come in at least a $7 level, I will have you join my group, which is the Martineau Marketing Group here, and you will get, I'm putting a whole bunch of, this is only beginning, I'm putting a whole bunch of bonuses in here. Right now, this is bonuses you get is valued at $50, but it's going to be way more. So join now, put in your email, join List Infinity. You'll get these bonuses. and you'll get extra training. Thank you very much.